So hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to see how to handle an exception or an error in Python programming language. So first of all, let's just create an error or a demo error to show you. And it's equal to 3 divided by 0. So since 3 divided by 0 is an zero division error, and just print Control S desktop. Yeah, ending. And just run it. So this gave me an error, zero division error. So to handle this type of situation, we need to make. I'm writing a tab block over here and accept exception as e and print e. So division by 0. Is yeah. So what we need to do is write, despite of writing exception, we can write 0 division. Yeah, that's it. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, that's so there are different type of condition which we can handle using this situation. If you are writing a code for a classes, then there is another way or to do making our own exception. So how to make an user defined exception, we are going to see this situation. That's so let's just make a function. Let's just temperature. Now if num is greater than is less than 0 or num greater than 100, erase exception, and we're writing the temperature is not in the range. Yeah, that's it. Else we can write temperature or just return num, and that's it. If then temp is equals to, and just write 78. So yeah, that's it. Now what we have to write. So I will put this inside the play block. And exception is int. Yeah, that's it. So this returns does nothing as print. uh, this is not a section. And if you write minus 78, then what? It is not a not in the range. So that's a okay. What else we can do with this? If you write raise exception, we can say 0 division. So that's the thing. That's just for time. So this is just a raise the exception. We can raise the exceptions, etc., etc. We can do much stuffs. And in the next video, I'm going to tell you how to change or define an exception in a class or through a class, or change a class or create a class of exception. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, and give a thumbs up if you like this. Bye bye.